Hey Brown Beauty, so I'm gonna be blow drying my hair today. So I washed it. It's been a couple days since I washed it. I did a little protective style, some little twists. But we're gonna also be reviewing a new blow dryer that I just bought today. So it's a new blow dryer out by Pattern Beauty, Terry Ellis Ross. I think that's her name, Terry Ellis Ross. Diana Ross got her, okay? She created this blow dryer, and it looked like it was more for like curly girls and thicker hair. So we're gonna do a review. I did open it and I did use it already. I didn't use it on my hair, but that's what the packaging kind of looked like. But we're gonna go and take it out the box and we're gonna get to it and see what it do. I'm gonna be honest, I watched a couple of reviews on this blow dryer, and I'm gonna show y'all the thing that sold me with this blow dryer and what made me end up purchasing it. So this is what the box looks like. This. Oh, this is the heat protectant. It does not come with the blow dryer. You have to purchase it separate. We'll get to the pricing and everything later on in the video. But I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show y'all how everything looks. So this is what the box is looking like. As y'all can see. Okay. We're gonna see what it do. So this is what the actual blow dryer is gonna look like with the accessories. See this? So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Okay, we're gonna get to it. I've really been indecisive about using this heat protectant, only because y'all know I'm big on not using chemicals and stuff. And it's got a lot of unfamiliarized words as chemicals, ingredients on this thing. So I paid $20 for this little thing, and I don't believe I'm about to use it. I think what I'm gonna just stick to is put a little light oil on my hair, almond oil, which is what I normally do anyways, and then just blow dry. So I'm gonna just stick to how I normally do it. I do got a little paddle brush. We're gonna see how all this work out, y'all. Okay, y'all know I don't use brushes, but I have to have something for tension to blow dry. So let's just get right into it. So my hair, I mean, it is moisturized, but it's looking a little bit dry. It's looking a little dry. So I might wet this down. So this is what it's looking like after I washed it and twisted it and it dried, which was 2 days ago I washed my hair. And this is what it's looking like. So I think I am gonna wet it a little bit, put my oil on there, and then I'm gonna start blowing it out. Okay, as y'all can see, I'm getting a little shine back there quick just from wetting it down. So what I'm gonna do now is put a little bit on. That'll be my heat protectant. This is what I normally do anyways, y'all. I don't use chemicals in my hair. I'm not real big on it. And I was really undecided when I purchased the blow dryer if I wanted a heat protectant, and I got it just to get it to see maybe I might use it, but now that I got it, I know I'm not gonna use it. As y'all know, I do not put heat up in my hair. I only blow dry like maybe 3 times a year. So it's a big difference in which one you use. I wanted to initially use this, which is what I use, and as y'all can see, it didn't really blow it out. My hair is still very reverted, versus this one, the one I was skeptical about, the little brush, is actually helping me to blow my hair out and get some stretch. So we're gonna keep going. Y'all's blowing on. And I still didn't get it all the way blown out. Like, it's still reverted. It's still reverted before I finished.